Hello, my name is Christopher King, and I am the Health Systems Administration Department Chair at Georgetown University. I am also the Director of the Master of Science in Health Systems Administration. I'm excited to share that we are in the process of accepting applications and building our next cohort, which will represent some of the most talented individuals who are passionate about improving the healthcare delivery system. In light of what's happening in the world, now is an ideal time to pursue such a degree. I say this for several reasons. For example, pandemics. They teach us a lot. And ultimately, the lessons we learn stimulate change in the systems and the structures and the technologies that power our healthcare infrastructure. COVID-19 has done that. It's also amplified vulnerabilities, as well as the archaic state of our healthcare infrastructure. It's also illuminated systemic racism as a public health issue. But on the other hand, in light of these issues, we are getting a sneak peek into the future of what's possible. For example, hundreds of thousands of Americans have engaged with their providers virtually, and the imperative to cultivate systems that have the capacity to bridge the gap between public health and medical care has never been clearer. We're learning about new and emerging skills that are necessary for population health improvement, as well as those that are necessary to address future pandemics. And more healthcare organizations are examining how systemic forms of racial injustice show up, not only in their communities, but in their institutions. Some of the most progressive health systems and esteemed think tanks are paving the way and applying a racial equity lens in how healthcare is delivered. And I'd be remiss not to mention that we are on the brink of one of the most consequential presidential elections, one in which healthcare is at the top of the agenda. So collectively, these issues and so many others that I haven't even mentioned are evidence that this type of degree is timely. The current landscape, it's a playground for learning, a playground for innovation. And our hybrid model is structured so that working professionals can be on this journey with us from just about anywhere in the world. So if you're interested in learning more, I invite you to reach out to me or my colleague, Mr. Gregory Thornton, at gt273 at georgetown.edu. Again, it's gt273 at georgetown.edu.